Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Gengar from Pokemon. So let's get started. To draw this very cool Pokemon, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a slant coming down. Nice big eye, so nice long slant. And then from there, I'm just going to start over here since it's easier for my hands. I'm just going to bring a curve all the way back up. So come down. And nice and full at the bottom, and then just go ahead and connect there. And then you can extend this line out a little bit here and here at the top. Then from there, let's just drag this point across, so not too far apart, just nice and close. So say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag this point across. Since I'm drawing pretty big, it'll just kind of help me figure out, like, let's say how far I want to, how high to go. So let's say about right here. I'm just kind of imagining this angle, same angle as the other side, and I'll just use that as my guide to draw a line. And then from there, once again, we're just going to draw a big curve coming down nice and full. So whatever is easier for your hand, you can go up or you can come down there. So something like that. And then let's come inside towards this corner more. We're going to draw an oval right here, touching the top. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw an oval right there. And then at the top, I'm going to put in a little circle for a highlight and shade everything else in. So same thing over here. There. And then from there, let's draw this big smile. So I'm going to come right underneath the eyes, and let's see here, nice and wide. So I'll say about right here, kind of like the width of your eye. I'm going to drag this across to about right here, so right underneath the eye. And I'm going to go ahead and just draw this big curve or big smile. There. And then I'm going to widen this. So I'm going to bring this down and come down nice and full. And this is kind of like my center, and go up. We're just going to come down so it's easier for my hands. There. And then from there, I'm going to find my center about right here, and I'm going to draw a straight line down for some teeth. So now that I have that, I'm going to break this up into 3. So say about right here, another line, and then another line. And same thing here. There. Okay, so now that I have that, let's go ahead and we're going to draw this really big oval for the body. So I'm going to come to the top of this eye, and let's see here. I'm just going to use this as my guide. I'm going to come out. It's about right here. Just kind of imagining this big oval around it. So same thing over here. About right there. And I'm just going to go ahead and go for it. So I'm just going to come down first with a big curve. Both sides. And I want it nice and low for the, since it's basically oval for the body. So I'll say my center, I'll say about right here. Just give myself a point so I know where I'm going with this. So let's go ahead. And I'm just going to draw this big curve towards that point. So definitely turn your body or the paper if you need to draw this big curve. There. Something like that. Again, you can just always go back and make the adjustments as you need. So hopefully you're using a pencil at home. And let's see here, make sure I'm going correctly. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. There. Nice and big, right? Then from there, let's go ahead and bring this, I'm going to bring it up a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit more. And here. Okay, so then from there, we need to draw the ears and the top. So in this area, I'm just going to go ahead and it's just a little bit easier. I'll just come here and draw the spiky ear. So say about right here. Just going to curve up nice and high. And I'm just imagining as if this oval is continuing. So I'm just going to continue it. So I'll just bring this down to say about right here. Just imagine it's continuing. And then from there, we're going to do this same thing on the other side. So about right here, just imagine this is continuing. And we're just going to draw another spiky ear. Pointy ear, I mean. And so about right there, just approximate. And bring it down. Give it a little bit of a curve so it looks a little bit fuller. There. Then from there, we're going to draw the spiky top. So say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and go up and down. And sometimes a bigger one in the center. And just tuck it in. Make it a little bit fuller. Now that I'm looking at it, it needs to be a little bit. Okay, there. Okay, so then now that I have that, let's see here. I'm just gonna feel like I need something right here. So I'm just gonna draw a little line over here for some detail. And then now the legs. So I'm going to come down. This is kind of like our center. So I'm going to come out on both sides, about right here. We're going to draw these short little legs on both sides. So I'm going to put two little lines. And then we're going to come to, say about right here. Just draw a slight curve. Coming down. And about right there, I'm just going to zigzag 2 and 3 and then just bring it in. So same thing on the other side. About right there. Bring it down. This goes across and I'll say about right here. Once again, 2 and 3. There, it's starting to come to life, right? Maybe should make Gengar a little bit chubbier right here. Like I said, definitely make adjustments as you need. Okay, so then from there, the arms. So about right here, nice and simple. We're just going to bring this down. We're going to end the hands about right here. So say about here, I'm going to bring this down. Just going to hang out to the side. Bring this down, and then we're just going to zigzag. So bring this down a little bit more. 1, 2, and 3. There. And so same thing across. Right here and here. So once again, bring this down to right there and zigzag once again and connect. There, and Gengar is pretty much complete. I'll just come in here. I think I need to make these ears a little bit more round and full. Okay, and that is pretty much it, except I'm going to put a heart right here. So they're all done. I really hope you love how Gengar here turned out and I helped you draw it fun and easy today. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.